Water is everywhere. It covers over 70% of the Earth's surface. It fills our lakes, rivers, and oceans. It falls from the sky as rain and snow. Water, in its various forms, is essential for all known life. Yet, despite its ubiquity, water is a substance of extraordinary complexity and hidden wonders. Consider this. Water is one of the few substances on Earth that expands when it freezes. This seemingly simple fact has profound implications for life as we know it. If ice were denser than water, it would sink to the bottom of lakes and oceans. Eventually, these bodies of water would freeze solid, making life as we know it impossible. Water's unique properties stem from its chemical structure. A water molecule consists of two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom. This simple arrangement gives water its polarity, meaning it has a slightly positive end and a slightly negative end. This polarity allows water molecules to form weak bonds with each other, known as hydrogen bonds. These bonds are responsible for many of water's unusual properties. Water is essential for all forms of life. It acts as a solvent, dissolving nutrients and transporting them to cells. It participates in vital chemical reactions such as photosynthesis. It helps regulate temperature both within organisms and on a global scale. For humans, water is more than just a biological necessity. It is also a cultural and economic resource. We use water for drinking, sanitation, agriculture, industry, and transportation. Access to clean, safe water is fundamental to human health and well-being. The availability of water shapes landscapes, influences climate, and supports diverse ecosystems. Rivers carve canyons, glaciers sculpt mountains, and oceans moderate temperatures. Wetlands filter pollutants, forests release water vapor, and coral reefs provide habitat for countless marine species. Water possesses several surprising properties that make it unique among liquids. Its high surface tension allows insects to walk on water and for droplets to form on leaves. Its high heat capacity means that it takes a lot of energy to raise the temperature of water, which helps stabilize the Earth's climate. Water is also an excellent solvent, dissolving more substances than any other liquid. This property is essential for life, as it allows nutrients and minerals to dissolve in water and be transported throughout organisms. However, this ability to dissolve other substances also makes water vulnerable to pollution. Another remarkable characteristic is water's ability to exist in all three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas, at temperatures found on Earth. This continuous cycling of water between the atmosphere, land, and oceans is the water cycle, a fundamental process that sustains life. Section 4. Enigmatic Behavior. Water exhibits enigmatic behavior in nature that continues to fascinate scientists. For instance, water can defy gravity, climbing up narrow tubes against its own weight through a process called capillary action. This phenomenon is crucial for plants, allowing them to draw water from the soil up to their leaves. Furthermore, water can absorb vast amounts of heat energy without a significant rise in temperature. This high heat capacity helps regulate the Earth's climate and makes aquatic environments more stable than terrestrial ones. It also explains why coastal regions tend to have more moderate temperatures than inland areas. The density anomaly of water is another intriguing aspect. Unlike most substances, water is densest at 4 degrees Celsius, not at its freezing point. This unique property prevents lakes and oceans from freezing solid from the bottom up, ensuring the survival of aquatic life during winter. Section 5. Water's Hidden World. Beneath the surface of our oceans, lakes, and rivers lies a hidden world teeming with life. From microscopic plankton to giant whales, aquatic ecosystems support an incredible diversity of organisms. These underwater realms are essential for maintaining the health of our planet, regulating climate, providing food, and supporting livelihoods. However, human activities are increasingly threatening the health of these aquatic ecosystems. Pollution from industrial discharge, agricultural runoff, and sewage disposal contaminates water sources, harming aquatic life and putting human health at risk. Overfishing, destructive fishing practices, and habitat destruction are decimating fish populations and disrupting marine food webs. Climate change is altering ocean currents, acidifying seawater, and causing sea levels to rise, with far-reaching consequences for marine ecosystems and coastal communities. Section 6. A Pressing Need. As the global population continues to grow, so too does our demand for water. Agriculture, industry, and domestic use are putting increasing pressure on freshwater resources, especially in arid and semi-arid regions. Climate change is exacerbating the situation, altering rainfall patterns, intensifying droughts, and increasing the frequency of extreme weather events. The consequences of water scarcity are far-reaching, leading to food shortages, economic decline, social unrest, and environmental degradation. Addressing this pressing challenge requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing water conservation, technological innovation, and equitable water management practices. We must recognize that water is a finite resource, interconnected with all aspects of life on Earth. Protecting and preserving this precious resource is not just an environmental imperative, but also a social, economic, and moral obligation. Section 7. Conservation, our responsibility. Conserving water is not about deprivation, it is about using this precious resource wisely and responsibly. Simple changes in our daily habits can make a significant difference. We can fix leaks promptly, use water-efficient appliances, and water our lawns judiciously. Furthermore, supporting policies that promote sustainable water management practices, such as rainwater harvesting, water recycling, and efficient irrigation techniques, is crucial. Investing in research and development for water-saving technologies and promoting water literacy among all segments of society are essential steps towards a water-secure future. The future of water security lies in our collective action. By embracing a water-conscious mindset, adopting sustainable practices, and advocating for responsible water management, we can ensure that this vital resource continues to sustain life for generations to come. Remember, every drop counts.